Hi, beautiful. You've been diagnosed with a bulging disc in your lumbar spine and you want some tools in your pocket that you can do at home to help you recover. I've been teaching injury recovery Pilates for over 20 years. I've helped many people recover from their bulging discs. It's absolutely possible. You can recover, your body can heal. You just gotta know what to do and you gotta have consistency. Today, I'm gonna show you a core strengthening exercise. It's so important to strengthen the core to help protect the back. It's a big piece of the recovery process, so let's get to it. You're gonna start in a quadruped position. You can have your feet relaxed or you can curl your toes under. You can also keep your shoes on if you'd like. You do wanna have your feet in line with the back of your hips and you do want your pelvis over your knees. You wanna have a nice long spine, your head in line with your spine, soft elbows, and your hands slightly above your shoulders. So from here, you're going to engage your inner thighs. You want to feel your inner thighs pulling in toward each other, and you're going to feel your inner thigh booty deep ab connection turn on, and that's what you want. You're looking for that. Once you feel engaged there, on your exhale, you're going to pull your belly button toward the back of your spine and hold that for about 5 counts. And then from there, go ahead and just completely relax. You got it? So let's set up again. So you're in your quadruped, you're gonna engage your inner thighs, you're gonna feel that inner thigh booty deep ab connection turn on. You don't wanna change anything in your spine. So as you engage belly button to spine, be very careful if you start to move in this direction with the spine going into flexion or tucking your pelvis under. You wanna keep that nice long spine, keeping that space in between the vertebrae, right? So be very aware of that. So as you're pulling belly button to spine, nothing is changing in your back. Holding that for about 5 counts and then completely relaxing, and then you're gonna go back into it. You wanna try to build up to being able to do 10 reps. You got it? This is a great exercise to build your core strength. I'm talking about the powerhouse, the inner thigh booty deep ab connection. So important in protecting your lower back. Hopefully after doing this exercise, you feel that kind of lift and engagement in the low belly. It should feel really good. You wanna do this exercise every day as long as you're not experiencing any pain. The bulging disc is not an injury that you want to push through the pain. The pain is telling you something, so honor where your body's at. It's very important. It will actually help speed up your recovery process if you don't push through that pain. I really want you to get the most out of this exercise, so if you have any questions or you're looking for some modifications, leave a comment below. I'm happy to help. Just so you know, this is part 3 of 4 in this Pilates series. You can access part 4 in the description below or possibly at the end of the video. It will be waiting for you whenever you're ready, and I will meet you there. See you soon. Are you ready for exclusive content, early access to content, and other perks? Join us on Patreon. Click on the link in the description of this post for more. Special shout out to my Vital 7 stars. Thank you for making this video possible.